Can you do a reading on Avalanche? I've heard rumors that it'll be going to $500 in 2025. I think that is going to be a thing going forward because it's a big part. It's one of the newer coins that is going to be part of the new financial system. BlackRock has been hinting at really integrating Avalanche into their financial system. So, yes, I don't know about $500 in 2025, but it is going to be very, very important in the next little while. No, for 2025, but it is going to be getting it there 2025, 2027 in that period. Okay, hopefully that helps you out.